Hi. Group by groups data based on a criteria, creating a new object where the data is organized. In this case, we have users and we want to group them by type. So we can use object group by. And it takes an array and a function where we will set up our criteria. Take user, and first let's organize by type. So type user type. And now our array is transformed into an object where we have premium user and just user. And sometimes you will need to create your custom criteria. For example, we want to know if the user is loyal or not. Let's say if user years is less than 9, then it will be a new user. If it's more, it will be our loyal user. And now we have loyal user and new user. And loyal user is John and Justin because their years are more than 9. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.